Hey guys, this is Mike from ProLift Garage Doors in Birmingham. I've chosen this wet, rainy, nasty day to talk about something that comes up pretty often, and that's people who talk about water or rainfall coming underneath their garage doors. As you can see, we're having a soaker here today. Good day to be working in the garage and not outside. But what people get confused about sometimes is this seal that is in the bottom of a garage door. And if I come over to this door that's closed, I can show it to you a little bit better. It's gonna be right there at the bottom. That seal is really just a kind of an insulation barrier, kind of helps keep bugs out, kind of helps keep a little bit of moisture out. And it mostly kind of is something for the door to rest on when it goes down, but it is not intended to be a watertight seal. So if you've got water that's coming under your garage door, it's not replacing the seal or calling your garage door company out and say, hey, can you replace my seal, is not likely to fix that. Now, there are a couple of things you can do. The main one is if water's getting under your garage door, you have a grading problem. And you may have a driveway that slopes down to your garage door and the water's running down to that really fast. Or maybe they did not do a good pour on the slab so that the driveway is higher than the slab. It should be just a little bit lower. I mean, just a little bit, maybe half an inch. But as far as expecting that seal to hold back water, it's not going to do it. So if you've got a steep driveway and water's running down to your garage door, then I would say call somebody that's a concrete landscape type guy that can cut a trench in that or regrade that somehow so the water's not hitting that door. The other solution is you can go to your local big box store and order a seal that glues to your concrete. So you would actually put it right at where the door touches. So if we look right here, right along this line that goes from that rail to the rail on the other side, you would just glue that little threshold down, and that gives the door something to kind of come down and sit on and rest on, and gives you a little bit of barrier if you've got some minor water that's trying to get into the house. Again, it's not going to stop it if you've got a river coming down the driveway, but that is a possible solution, and those are not terribly expensive. Sometimes it's worth giving it a try. So again, if you've got water getting into your basement or water getting into your garage, there are ways to fix it, but your garage door guy is probably not going to be able to fix that, and it's probably not the seal on your garage door. Again, this is Mike with ProLift Garage Doors. If you're in the Birmingham area and need help with a repair or replacement, give us a call, look us up. We'd love to help you, and thank you for joining us.